honorable teachers and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we should write such an exclusive tale of a great pressure that can never be forgotten up to the morning of the final day. Today we should tell the world that when Muslims who become united, no power can defeat them. Today we should mind the opponent step. मैं झुका नहीं, मैं बिका नहीं, कहीं छुप छुपा के खड़ा नहीं, जो डटे हुए हैं महाज पर, मुझे उन सबों में तलाश है. Exactly. I'm talking about 23rd March 1945. When the Muslims of subcontinent is fight for their rights, and first time in the history of subcontinent, million people did raise a single voice. We want freedom. We need a homeland. We need fresh air, mountain, water and sand. A morning after light, which reflects Staystand. We stand for us and ours. People give their hands in the hand of Qaeda. They fight with a pen, and what a great fight that was. There was a great crowd gathered at Balpat. A great enthusiasm that forced them to come under the green flag. They all were singing the song of favor. They all were in the true nation theory. They did speak in such a nice note that a cool wind blew from heaven and bring a message about the Pakistan's existence. It was true. It was true that the mission was impossible, but it was also true that the heroes were in high support. So, इरादे जिनके पक्का हो, नजर जिनकी खुदा पर हो. इरादे जिनके पक्का हो, नजर जिनकी खुदा पर हो. चला तुम खेज मौजों से वो घबराया नहीं. On 23rd March 1940, the resolution of Pakistan was presented. The resolution was a piece of paper, but the writing did consist blood of instant ink. It was a struggle. It was a struggle which has no end except to form a separate homeland. So all the Muslims under the leadership of Qaeda started their journey to achieve their goal. They struggled day and night. They didn't get tired. They lit more lamps and spread a light of freedom. In the general election of 1945, all the Muslim candidates did succeed, and the opponent did but the great struggle. The great struggle forced the English ruler to sit on a table, and the document of partition of subcontinent was signed. हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है. हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है. बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदा. At last, the Muslims subcontinent transferred their dream into the reality, and on 14 August 1947, Pakistan came into existence. Today, we should give value to the struggle and devotion committed by our forefathers in the pattern of the previous century. Today, we can once again save our country and make it a prosperous land of happiness and joy. Thanks for listening.